I think a lot of undergraduates, when they start at UC Davis or any institute, imagine most of their time being spent in the classroom, where it should be, right? That's kind of what we signed up for. At large research universities like UC Davis, there are also these amazing opportunities to work in research labs. And that can be really inspiring about a career in science once you see how the science is done and not just what we've learned from it.
I was trying to decide where was I going to transfer, what was I going to transfer as in terms of my major. I'm the first in my family to pursue a STEM degree just due to the interest that started with marine science and then progressed into this really interesting interdisciplinary passion that I have.
ETOX is one of those fields that's at this intersection of so many different fields. So for a lot of students that are really interested in nature, that are really interested in how humans are impacting nature and what we can do about it, this is a field that really integrates a lot of really exciting things for a lot of folks.
Since transferring, what I've enjoyed so much about the department itself is that you really do get to build a deep relationship with your peers, as well as the professors in this department, even so much as so you could do research alongside with them and join their lab.
For a lot of undergraduates, this can be a really influential part of their training, participating in research. A lot of undergrads don't know how to navigate that. So the main thing is just talking to professors. And that's what Ashley did. So she arrived here as a transfer student. She was in a class that I happened to be giving a couple lectures in. She got really interested in the research and just emailed me. She ended up in our research lab for 2 years, and that led to a job after she graduated doing toxicology research, which was really wonderful.
Currently, I am a research assistant in Andrew Whitehead's lab. We focus on environmental genomics and applications of ecotoxicology. I've had the opportunity to support so many ongoing projects in our lab, and I'm very grateful for the experience that I've gathered. But I'm now curious to kind of apply myself independently with all the skills that I've picked up along the way.
Seeing how science is done and knowing what we know from science and seeing that integrated is really, really powerful. That sets a really strong foundation for learning.